A Harvard Business School study once revealed that people who set clear goals and wrote them down were 10 times more likely to succeed than those who did not. But here's the secret. Goals alone are not enough. What really drives people is a vision so powerful it pulls them forward, even when things get tough. Take Elon Musk, for example. His vision was not just to build cars. It was to transform the world's dependence on fossil fuels. That vision kept him going through failures, criticism, and near bankruptcy. That's the power of having a vision that pulls, rather than goals you have to push yourself toward. So, how do you create a vision that does not just sound good on paper, but actually pulls you forward in real life? Let's break it down. Point 1. Start with emotion, not logic. A vision is not a to-do list, it's a feeling. Ask yourself, what would make me excited to wake up every single morning? For example, Martin Luther King Jr. did not say, "I have a plan." He said, "I have a dream." His words painted an emotional picture so powerful that it moved millions. When you're crafting your vision, focus less on numbers and more on how it feels. Do you see freedom, impact, contribution, or joy? That emotional energy is what makes it magnetic. Point 2. Look beyond the short term. Most people mistake a goal for a vision. A goal might be, I want to lose 20 pounds. A vision is bigger. I want to live a long, active life where I can hike mountains with my grandkids. See the difference? One is short-term and measurable, but the other stretches into your future and keeps you motivated long after the first milestone. Point 3. Make it personal and vivid. The more specific your vision, the stronger the pull. Don't just say, I want financial freedom. Instead, imagine this. You're sitting in your lake house in Montana, coffee in hand, watching the sunrise, knowing your hard work bought you time and peace. That mental image activates your brain in ways vague statements never can. Research from UCLA even shows that when we imagine a vivid future, our brain fires the same pathways as if we're already experiencing it. In other words, your vision tricks your brain into believing it's possible, and that builds momentum. Point 4. Anchor it to contribution. Here's a powerful secret. Visions that only serve yourself fade quickly. The strongest visions serve others. Think of Jeff Bezos. His vision was not to be rich. It was to make it possible for anyone, anywhere, to buy anything online. That larger contribution made Amazon unstoppable. So ask yourself, how does my vision improve lives, even in a small way? Contribution makes your vision more meaningful and sustainable. Point 5. Write it, see it, repeat it. Your vision should live outside your head. Write it down, put it on your wall, create a vision board, or even record yourself talking about it. Olympic athletes have been doing this for decades. They visualize their wins until their bodies naturally follow through. Repetition turns your vision from a dream into a compass. A powerful vision is not about pushing harder. It's about being pulled by something bigger than yourself. Start with emotion. Think long-term. Make it vivid. Anchor it in contribution. And keep it in front of you every single day. Because when your vision pulls you forward, obstacles don't stop you. They simply become part of the journey.